And next up, Rupert Read from Eastern Region, a former Norwich councillor and our transport spokesperson.
As our leaders already made quite clear, this winter has been a game changer. This weather wake-up call has been felt by all of us. And it's the ostriches of UKIP and the Tory right who are now isolated, quite literally out of their depth, as these biblical anthropogenic floods sweep through our nation. How can these jokers be taken seriously anymore? How can these people with their heads planted firmly in the sand plan intelligently for future such crises when they refuse to listen to what the science sets out as the likely nature and trajectory of the threat now facing us all? And nowhere is this truer than of transport policy. The human-influenced climate chaos that has hit us this winter, from unprecedented tidal surges where I live in East Anglia to the inundation of the Thames Valley and of the Somerset Levels, makes it essential that we undertake a green transport revolution in this country. First, because it would be reckless, an abject failure of leadership, a betrayal of our children, not to seek to reduce drastically the growing greenhouse gas pollution that comes especially from road and air travel. And second, because as we've seen, demonstrated graphically in Dawlish and elsewhere over the past couple of months, we need a transport system that's more resilient to climate and weather chaos. So, what exactly will our transport revolution consist in? Let me mention 4 things. First, put beaching into reverse, reopen closed lines, starting with an alternative inland route down to Cornwall. Second, bring the railways back into public ownership for a joined-up railway system, once again. Third, re-regulate the buses. Public transport should be public transport. And fourth, roll out a Safer Streets programme nationwide so that we can see kids playing in our residential streets once again. How will we pay for this? Simple. Cut HS2, which is carbon intensive and countryside destroying, and cut the road building programmes planned by the EU and the UK for the same reasons. It's high time for a green transport revolution. I can't wait. And you know what? The world can't wait either.